Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and I decided I'm gonna make a video about my OBDII scanner that I purchased a while back, and I did one review on it already, and everything worked fine until the couple of updates, and of course the 1 year thing where you have to actually renew the subscription to it. This is the AUTEL MaxiCom MK808 that I purchased, like I said, about a year and something ago. It's quite a expensive item. Back then was, and it still holds the value. It claimed that it can do a lot of things, which it worked. I'm not gonna lie. It worked for a while, like I said. After that initial 1 year goes away, the subscription, free subscription that they never mentioned on the listing when you actually purchase the item, it never mentions that you have to keep getting subscriptions and all that other crap. Of course, I was looking for the scanner that's gonna do all that stuff without, paying extra every month, every year, and all that other stuff. For a person that does this as a weekend thing, works on cars and all that, because don't have much time, subscription for me is not an option. I can't afford it, and even if I did, I wouldn't get my money back, worth money, of course, that I invested for that subscription. Anyway, let's get back to the thing, what's going on. As many of you know, I have a Mitsubishi Eclipse 99, and after that initial 1 year, this tool worked on it like a charm. I got all my things that I needed, all the problems and everything fixed with this tool scanner. After the year went away, and I got the message that, of course, renew your subscription. You can still use it, right? But it would no longer read the car that I had. It will no longer read Mitsubishi Eclipse. I would go over there, and then I'll click on Mitsubishi, and then of course what would happen when I go hit scan for VIN, it will tell me VIN number failed after I click this automatic, and I'll click read, and it will be same like that, even though it's connected on the car. In this case it's not, but it will give me the same thing. And I was thinking maybe the cables are bad, so I would go and connect it on my Ford, and it'll work. It'll work just fine. So I was thinking maybe my OBDII plug in my Eclipse is not working. Maybe my ECU is playing with. So I go and I get a cheap eBay OBDII scanner, the Android one that you connect on the phone, and it works fine. So I don't know if this is just me, but I think they actually disable a bunch of features after you kind of lose that free year of a subscription. You kind of lose also a bunch of use a capability to scan your own cars, I guess. I did read on the forums as well, a bunch of people said the same thing, that they had previously been able to scan the cars, and now after a couple of updates and all that other stuff, they no longer can. So I went and they did a manual entrance right here. There's my VIN number, and it would still say failed. So I just kind of got bummed up. Decided to make this video because there is a probably way better options and way cheaper options if you want to do all that than this tool right here, that's gonna put you behind on a subscription plan, and like I said, you no longer can scan the cars. So that's just my complaint. Just making this quick update on what's going on this item, and like I said, it worked just fine. Could it be that updates messed it up? That one of the updates got corrupted? I don't know. I even went back and I think you can Maxi Tools, and then you can go over here, factory reset and all that. But like I said, it didn't work. It didn't work. I tried it and went back in a car, and what's crazy about it, when you scan and it finds the codes, before it didn't have, but right now when it gives you the code P something, and then it has like a $40 sign next to it, usually you used to be able to just click on it and it will open, and it gives you a bunch of options. It tells you what could have, what could have caused it, or what to look for. Now it actually gives you, for every code or whatever, it gives you a dollar amount, which is which is crazy for me. So I didn't want to bother no more. So yeah, I just use it for the other cars, of course, and right now, and it's just a expensive piece of equipment that it's just gonna be somewhere sitting. But anyway, enough of me complaining. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. I don't want to bash on it anymore. If it wasn't for that subscription and all that stuff, this would be a really good thing. So right now I'm in search of an alternative, looking for something different that's not gonna charge me arm and leg to do simple things. So yeah, again guys, thank you for watching and supporting this channel. I really appreciate it. Of course, consider subscribing if you're new, and like and share it with your friends. Let the people know what's going on with this device. And yeah, thank you guys again, and stay safe. Laters.